Hi guys!
Welcome to Miami Vendor channel.
Yes.
Do you remember a couple weeks ago we did a balloon garland, pink
Yes.
and purple?
Yes.
Guess what? We still have it.
Oh yes, we still have it.
We still have it and I want to use it again. But I would like to put it outside and make it much bigger.
Great, we're in Florida. Outside it's not gonna be hot at all.
It's fine. We do it first.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what do we
Let's
do?
go, I'll show you.
Let's go.
Just remind you of Garland. It's right here. You forgot?
No,
See,
you
it's
didn't
not
forget.
that big.
I see it every day.
So today we have friends to come in for barbecue, so we're gonna spend a lot of time here outside. So my idea is to place balloon garlands from the top to the bottom, maybe to put some on the ceiling, and in the corner I would like to add a chair and to add some lights. What do you think? Maybe.
What do I think? I think I'm gonna be sweating like a...
We have
For
some
an hour.
shade in here.
Yes, sure. It's not the shade, it's the temperature.
So I think to attach my garlands, we have some holes.
Yeah, we get
So
some
we can
things.
easily attach it here, everywhere here, put it down, and maybe even add some to the ceiling. Add some like small balloon ceiling here.
Okay.
So what we need to do is inflate a lot of balloons.
Under this sun?
No, outside. Or inside.
Inside?
Yeah, we can inflate inside and after you bring it here. It should be fine.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. So here's my garland from last time. So I'm just gonna keep adding purple and pink colors. I took all my purple and all my pink balloons here. I have some old balloons. I want to mix everything today. I want to add all colors what I have to make it big, nice and colorful. So I have Gemark, Valatex, Beta Latex, different shade of purple. So today I'm planning to use everything what I have for a while and it needs to be used. So we'll see. And same for pink. Have different shades of pink. We probably will use two machines and inflate together in the same time so it will be faster. I have two machines. So we have here a cluster of three balloons. Each cluster has 2 11 inch and one, some 16, some 19, depends from the brand. A cluster of three, we're gonna mix with another cluster of three. So since we have a big balloon garland, so cluster has to be bigger from the beginning. So not 4, not 5, 6. See, and we already have very big cluster. We have more pink color, I think. By the way, this cluster 4 balloons. It's the only cluster because Mark just decided to add one last berry color balloon. But it doesn't matter. So this cluster is going to be 7 balloons.
Wow.
So right now I'm just gonna prepare all big clusters and after I'm gonna tie them together.
Nice hair, baby.
At the same time, Mark will inflate 5-inch balloons. Right?
It's a 16 16 buff in the dark.
It's very easy to tie big cluster together. No difference. Same things, you put it together, wrap around one balloon from one cluster and wrap it to balloon from other cluster. Wrap and pull. You know, I don't tie all 6 balloons, but at least 4 from all 4 sides. Or sometimes I just go around like not 1, just 2 balloons, or even 3 sometimes. And since here I can go to big one, I go to big one, it's easier and you can hold anyway. Easy. And when we use 6 cluster of balloons, a garland much bigger right away. You can see it right. I think we're gonna keep it this big and place it outside, and we will add more cluster if we need. So right now we have one big part and our previous part. These balloons like 3 weeks old, 4 weeks old. It's little soft, but it's still shiny, still looking good. You can see as long as you can keep these balloons. Sometimes you ask me how many days in advance you can prepare your balloons. So if it's balloons for the balloon garlands, you easily can do it 1-2 days in advance. Nothing's gonna happen. You can see these balloons like 3 weeks old. It's still looking fine, still looking good. But you have to keep it inside. Outside it's not gonna work. So for inside, you easily can prepare balloons like 1-2 days in advance. If you have a lot of work, it's fine. Yeah, so I think to start from the middle, from these 2 holes. So Mark is attaching. You fine, baby. So he's attaching 260 balloon here. One here.
Taking big risks.
One here.
One there.
Yeah. Still didn't decide yet how better to place my garland. Should I take the whole corner from here to here or just one side? Let's see. We start from our first garland. So here's our second part. I still have my fishing line on one side. So I think we're just gonna use this side, this fishing line, so Mark can use it to tie it to the third garland. We could use this to 60, but if we have fishing line, so better to use it.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.
What do we get?
We get a big hole.
Yeah, we're gonna add some big balloons as well, so. So let's now, so since we want to fill up this ceiling, I think we're just gonna put it up this end and we go to another side and probably we're gonna tie it to that wire. It's gonna be like clouds. So take this end of it and just bring it higher, just to the end. I want to have like layers of balloons, so one, another one, so like big pink and purple clouds. And by the way, we received a lot of questions about using balloons outside. what we do for balloons outside. So we do nothing. So as you see, we just inflate them in place. My advice, try to find shade if it's possible. If not, try to use very light color of balloons. The lighter, the better. Because dark balloons pop outside right away. Try to pull this one down, baby. Try to put this down here. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna add big balloons in this middle part, and this part I'm gonna extend up to here. I'm just gonna make it longer. So I'll do another small balloon garland, and Mark will inflate big balloons. So I still have clusters of balloons. It's more than enough. I probably will use just even 3 or 4. Should be enough. So I did 4 clusters of balloons. So and I want to add it here. Like that's this empty space, so we have some balloons left, so we're just gonna add another glass. I'm not gonna use actually anything. I'm just gonna use the neck of the balloons. So I'm taking one neck here and one neck from here, and I'm just gonna tie 2 clusters together with the neck. A little bit. Can you see?
Yep.
Just with the neck. Some people even tie the whole garland this way. I don't like this way because it's hurt my finger. So I prefer use fishing line, but this is possible. See, like this. And it's in a hole, it never goes anywhere. And now I want to attach this part like this. And right now I'm gonna add some 5-inch balloons, some clusters, to cover some space, these holes. So I'm gonna add 5-inch balloons, and Mark goes watch soccer. So I want to show you the back from my rubber band. See, it actually has size, I guess something 2.5 inch. So this size I use, the smallest what I found. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use a glue dots also, because if I have like big balloons around, I can't use my rubber bands. Rubber bands glue only for 11-inch balloons and smaller. I can't stretch it to big balloons. Liam? No. So baby, what do you think?
I think it's pretty nice.
And we put lights at night. So we're gonna have some lights. Should be good. Let's just hope no rain today.
All right. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please add them right under. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Even he subscribed. So why you didn't subscribe? Come on. See you later. Bye bye. See you in another video.